Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your kapwing subscription and all official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. First of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you are on this screen, my workspace. And once you are on this screen, you need to click on setting. Once you click on setting, you need to click on billings, and over here you can see all the steps on your screen. And once you click on billings, you just need to scroll down, and over here you can see there is a cancellation method. And in this method they have told that you need to send an email related to your membership cancellation, and I will provide you a screenshot on your screen like this. You can compose an email like this, and once your email is complete, you need to send the email on this email address, and as you can see, teams@kapwing.com. and once they received your email regarding cancellation, and they will contact you, and they will identify your identity, and they will process cancellation. Okay, so by using this method you can cancel your kapwing subscription, and this is the only one way by which you can cancel your subscription, and there is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. So hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video.